Let's go to our special guest joining us tonight. Jeff Hopkins is with us, and according to Mom Casey Anthony, Hopkins introduced her to Zenaida Gonzalez, the nanny that stole her child. Mr. Hopkins, thank you for being with us.
Oh, thank you. Hi, Nancy.
Mr. Hopkins, what did you think when you learned that somehow you had gotten into the middle of a murder investigation?
Well, the initial reaction there was definitely shock. I still had no clue what was going on until, of course, a few days later when a detective showed up at my house.
When did you first learn you had gotten involved?
I assume it was the night that Cindy Anthony had called 911 because when the cops were at their house, I received a phone call from Lee Anthony, her brother, telling me that Casey said that she had been missing, or Kaylee had been missing for about 30 days, and she said that she had taken a trip or went on a trip to Jacksonville with Jeff Hopkins, and I, informed him that maybe there was a different one at the time, because it wasn't me for sure.
So that wasn't you in the car with Casey Anthony?
No.
Did you ever know her? Did you guys ever work at the same place?
Well, I did work at Universal. I didn't work there after the year 2002. I'm not sure when she started, and I know she ended in around 2006, but we never did work together, actually.
Did you ever know each other?
We did know each other.
How?
We actually, through elementary, middle, and high school, we went to the same school here.
So you did not know her through Universal? You knew her through going to school with her?
Through going to school, yes.
Did you ever know Zenaida Gonzalez?
No, I don't know who that is.
Did Zenaida Gonzalez ever babysit your children?
I have no children, Nancy.
So her story becomes more and more fantastic. Do you expect that you will be a witness at trial?
Yes.
Why do you think that?
Because I was told so by the detectives.
Long story short, after your ordeal with the justice system, what do you believe about little Kaylee? Where is she?
I have no idea where she is. And as far as,
When was the last time you actually spoke to Casey Anthony?
July.